Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your earbuds QCY MeloBuds Pro using application. You have to start by open QCY app. Your headphones should be turned on and connected with your phone. Then the application open for you headphones menu, and you need to go to the settings here at the right top. After that, so you will see this menu, you need to scroll down, and at the bottom click at the More settings. Right here at the third line we have Reset to Factory. Tap at this line, then click OK. Then we should reconnect them with the phone. Hide the application, go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices. And firstly we need to remove them from the phone. So click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device, or you may have forget or forget device or unpair or remove. And forget device, you will remove them. Without it, if you try to reconnect them, as you can see, iPhone asked me to remove them. On Android it will show you connectional problem. After you remove your earbuds, at the top on Android you'll find Pair New Device button. Tap at this button. But not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. Or maybe you have refresh button, tap at this button. After that you will see your headphones at the device list and tap on them. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!